Plants are not just living decorations. Many of them have been used for centuries in spiritual traditions to cleanse energy, remove negativity, and attract harmony. From Native American smudging rituals to Ayurvedic practices, cultures around the world have trusted certain plants for their spiritual power. In this video, I'll share with you 10 powerful spiritual plants that are believed to cleanse energy and bring positive vibes into your home and life. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on more plant wisdom and spiritual tips. Sage. Sage is one of the most recognized spiritual plants for cleansing negative energy. For thousands of years, Native American tribes have used sage in smudging rituals. The smoke is believed to drive away bad spirits and cleanse both people and spaces. Modern research also shows that burning sage releases negative ions, which can improve mood and reduce stress, giving a scientific layer to its spiritual use. Whether you keep sage as a potted plant or use it dried for cleansing, it's considered a powerful tool for spiritual protection and positivity. Tulsi. Traditionally grown near homes and temples, it's believed to protect families from negativity and invite divine blessings. Ayurvedic medicine also values Tulsi for its antiviral, antibacterial, and stress-relieving properties. Keeping a Tulsi plant at home is said to purify both the air and the energy around you. Lavender. Lavender has been used in Mediterranean and European traditions for centuries to calm the mind and cleanse spaces. Its fragrance is believed to soothe anxiety, reduce tension, and bring peace into a home. Modern aromatherapy studies show that lavender essential oil promotes better sleep and relaxation. Spiritually, it's linked with harmony, love, and inner healing. Rosemary. In ancient Greece, students wore rosemary in their hair to boost memory and focus. Spiritually, rosemary is considered a plant of protection and cleansing. Burning rosemary or keeping it in your home is believed to clear out negativity and invite clarity. Science backs its stimulating effect. Rosemary contains compounds that can enhance alertness and cognitive function. Aloe vera. Egyptians called aloe vera the plant of immortality, using it in both medicine and spiritual rituals. Spiritually, aloe vera is said to absorb negative energy from its surroundings. Scientifically, it's known for healing burns, soothing skin, and purifying air toxins. A perfect plant for both health and energy balance in your home. Jasmine. Known as the moonlight flower, jasmine has deep spiritual symbolism. In many Asian traditions, it represents love, purity, and spiritual growth. Its fragrance is believed to elevate mood, reduce stress, and invite positive energy. In feng shui, jasmine near entrances is said to attract love and harmony. Bamboo. In Chinese culture, bamboo represents strength, resilience, and prosperity. Feng shui traditions recommend lucky bamboo for attracting wealth and balance. It's said to bring harmony between the 5 elements: water, wood, fire, earth, and metal. A low-maintenance spiritual plant that symbolizes flexibility and good fortune. Snake plant. Known for its air-purifying qualities, snake plant removes toxins like benzene and formaldehyde from indoor air. Spiritually, it's believed to absorb negative energy and shield the home. In feng shui, it represents strong protective energy, guarding against jealousy or harmful intentions. It thrives even in low light, making it a perfect plant for any corner of your home. Orchid. Orchids have long been considered symbols of fertility, beauty, and abundance. In feng shui, orchids are said to attract good fortune, peace, and prosperity. Their graceful flowers are believed to elevate vibrations in meditation and creative spaces. Spiritually, orchids inspire patience and spiritual growth. Peace lily. The peace lily is famous for its ability to purify indoor air. Spiritually, it represents harmony, peace, and balance. Many cultures see its white blooms as a sign of purity and spiritual renewal. Keeping a peace lily is believed to calm emotional energy and invite serenity into the home. From the sage to the peace lily, these 10 spiritual plants don't just look beautiful, They have been revered across cultures for their ability to cleanse energy and invite positivity. Which one of these plants do you already have? And which one do you want to bring home next? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves plants as much as you do. And don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss more spiritual and gardening wisdom.